The Cave Valley Police in St. Anne have launched an investigation into a case of murder committed in Cuff Ridge District. Dead is Errol Cameron, 55, unemployed of Cuff Ridge. It is reported that about 3 a.m. Cameron and two others, a man and a woman, were involved in a dispute during which the parties hurled stones at each other. Cameron ran towards his house in the community. He was later found in his one-room premises with wounds. The Cave Valley Police were summoned and cops responded. Checks made by the police found Cameron's body on his bed with what appeared to be multiple stab wounds. A piece of concrete block was also seen beside his body. Members of the Jamaica Defense Force have been plunged into mourning following the fatal shooting of a retired soldier on Friday morning. The deceased has been identified as 59-year-old Clifford Edwards of an Old Harbour Glades, St. Catherine address. Edwards was gunned down at approximately 12:45 a.m. as he entered his home. His licensed firearm, a Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol, was reportedly stolen by his attackers. Investigations into the shooting are ongoing. Two men were shot and injured after gunmen brazenly drove into one of their yards in Stratbourg, Westmoreland on Friday morning and launched an attack. The men have since been admitted to hospital. According to reports reaching Observer Online, both victims were inside the yard at about 9 a.m. when a white Toyota Axia motorcar drove in and stopped. Police said two men alighted from the vehicle and opened gunfire at the men who ran. They then fled the scene in the said motor vehicle towards Smithfield in the parish. The two men were subsequently discovered in the yard suffering from gunshot wounds and were assisted by residents to hospital where they were admitted in stable condition. Upon processing the scene, police found 3.45 and 49mm spent casings. No motive has yet been established for the attack, the police said.